Woo! All right. Now, it has been a minute since we've done one of these, y'all. Welcome back, everyone. It is THC and NFTs. Are we back to degenning? I think so, kinda. Not really, but a little bit. Now, let's talk about why we're here. Why you guys clicked the video. The whole reason why. We're here to talk about freaks. The freaks. Freaks 1, to be more specific. And how to play the game. There's been a lot of questions. People have seen it. The dev is constantly building here, and it is something special. So, without further ado, let's get right into the explanation of the game. All right? All right. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself a freak. Floor is pretty low right now. It's under $1. People are sleeping on something that is very, very cool, in my opinion. Okay, so now that we're here, I'm assuming y'all have a freak. This is the week 1 of the City Signals launch, the launch of the city. First place will get 0.05, second 0.04, third 0.03, fourth 0.02, fifth 0.01, and 6th through 10th will all get a freak. Now, to enter the city, you're going to need at least 3 freaks. So, in fiat, that's going to run you about $6. Not bad. Not bad to play the game. Now, play, I'm using play as, very loosely because it's an autonomous game, We don't do much playing. Sorry, I was looking at the Discord. Freak posted something in it. We don't do much playing. We select commands and build a squad. So, to the basics of it, if you just want to know the basics, you're going to click enter the room. You will oh, I'm already verified, but you would verify your wallet, obviously. You connect your wallet, MetaMask. Once your wallet's connected, you're going to go to the freaks room. When you're in the freaks room, now if you hold multiple freaks, this is something Freak 1 put into the game recently. Like I hold 55 freaks, and I want to send, I'm gonna send a goon squad in right now. We're gonna go all attack. We're gonna go all attack. And we're going to send this guy right here. You can select through attack, gather, roam, defend. Now, each of these commands obviously have their own thing, but we'll go through that, we'll go through that in a second. But I'm gonna go attack. I'm gonna select this freak. Now, I'm gonna select these 2 cursed freaks because cursed is a palette that also gets its own boost. Once you've selected 3 freaks, you're gonna deploy them into the city. Okay? Okay? You keeping up? Are you keeping up? Are we staying together here? All right? All right. Now, right here. See, these are your freaks that are in the city. All right? So what we're going to do is we're going to set a command. So right now there's no command set. I'm going to hit attack twice, and you can see CD. Hold on, let me get this out of the way for y'all. So you can see it's on cooldown now. We're going to select this one, which is this guy right here. It usually centers your dude. And we're going to put them all on attack, okay? We're going to put them all on attack. They all come into the city on Rome, okay? They all come in on Rome. And it looks like there's about 120 people in the city right now, which is crazy. All right. Now, once you're in the signal, also remember your session is 6 hours. You have 6 hours in the signal before you can change your 3 freaks. And then you have an hour of a cooldown between each command you can order on the freaks. So if your freak is, or your signal is running attack, it'll run attack for that hour. And then after that hour, you can change it. And then after 6 hours, you can redeploy with a new squad, completely up to you. Here on the left, we have command pressures, attack, gather, roam, defend. What this is saying, basically, is telling you what, it's kind of suggesting what you might want to try and run. I'm not going to give you any meta. I'm not very good at the game myself. I just try to attack, take some signal and dip. But you know, you run gather, you're going to get a little boost because nobody's running gather. Everyone's running attack right now. That's why there's it is kind of being nerfed a little bit. You know, everyone's on that attack. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Y'all need to chill out. But yeah. Over here will be your total. The fuck? I just lost all my signal. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. This game sucks. No, I'm playing. I love this game, dude. It's like weird. It's like I don't even do nothing, but like I can run other games in the background. It's cool. I like it. All right. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure we didn't forget anything else on this page. About 100 people playing right now, which is crazy. You know, great numbers, great numbers. So we're going to attack. Now, here's where people get lost. This is what people forget, you know? They got to come back to their freak room. They got to come back here, all right? You can do this however many times you want. You can do this 10 times, 20 times, 30 times. Every 10 minutes, every hour, every 50, whatever you want. But your signal will go up and down depending on what's going on in here, okay? Like if I zoom out, you can see there's a lot of fucking shit happening, all right? I like this guy being way the fuck over here because, you know, he's just gonna, what's up? We're gonna have a little one-on-one. There's me right here. See, we squabbling. We squabbling. Squabs. Who's this way? I'm way the fuck over here. All right. But yeah, we're collecting signal. We're going to bank our signal. Very next thing you do, collect signal. Boom. Goes into your room vault. Now it is safe. You will not lose it. It is good. Okay? Okay. Cool. Copy. Got it. Bitchin'. Now back to here. Okay, so what does this mean? These little gather two. Here, let's zoom in. See, we got a little 2 out of 3. 3 out of 3. It says 1.5. What does this mean? What does this mean? Okay. Let's go home. All right. Now when you're out buying your freaks, there's some things you might want to know. Each freak, let's move me real quick. Each freak has a different set of traits, right? Different set of traits. So, and when you send your freaks into the city, Let's do this. Let's make this a little easier. Come on. Split the screen. Oh, you want to fight me right now, huh? Here we go. All right. When your freaks go into the city, you can give different commands. Different commands have traits that boost. So let's take a look at. We're gonna look at the very first one on floor right now for $1.73. So its palette is shadow. I don't believe it has any. Let's see, because the palettes also get a boost. Oh, look, shadow is an uncommon palette. So you're going to get a 20% bonus. A little 20% bonus right off rip. Just for this guy. 20% bonus on Signal on whatever he does, I believe. Now right here, see category matches 1, 2, 3. 1 match 15%, 2 match 30%, 3 match 50%. Now we have universal extra, like third eye, 20%, and then crown of teeth 10%. So these are bonuses, okay? Now we're gonna go back to the commands, which is right here. What you're looking for when you're sniping floor or putting your 3-pack together, you're trying to build these. And if you can't find exactly what you want, you can wait, because there's more. So, like I said, we're going to go over 3808. So he's got Shadow, which is 20% uncommon. Stitches. I know I'm pretty sure I saw Stitches in here. Was I wrong? I was wrong. Blood Rain. Well, he's got Deranged. Deranged is on attack, so that's 1 out of 3, so that's another 15%. He's got Fangs. Fangs is also on attack, so that's 30 plus the 20. The 20 doesn't show in the Freaks Room, doesn't show here. This is just the category buff showing how many traits it has. So this would be a decent attack, you know. This would be a decent attack. So now, why was I saying if you can't find the traits you want, but they're just not there? Give me 1 second. Mutation. So if you cannot find what you are looking for, mutation's coming out. Now hear me. This has only been out for fucking 15 days. Project's only been out 15 days. Dev's doing more than most projects done their whole fucking shelf life, you know? But, you know, who am I to say? What am I to say? I don't know nothing. I know shit, you know? I'm just a stoner, but whatever. All right. So, freak mutation, dude. Check it out. The signal does not die. It condenses. It's a beautiful thing. It's all based around the signal. I love it. Now, I'm not going to I'm going to be straightforward. I'm a mod for the Discord. I did not know anything of Freaks. I found Freaks on a DGen play. I saw it on OpenSea pumping one day, and I was like, let me get in, flip a couple. Flipped a couple that day, ended up keeping a couple. Got into the Discord, saw that I liked it. Got real active in the Discord. The dev reached out to the members, asked if anyone wanted to step up. I offered. Here we are today. So Freaks mutations. All right, check it out. I do not know if this is living on the same chain. I know it's on the same chain. I don't know if it's on the same contract. Okay. But what's going to happen is out of the 10,000, The 10 one-of-ones cannot be burned. All right, they will forever live on the contract. You know, in that collection or in wherever they'll forever live there. It's gonna be 3-to-1, and you can essentially build your. It's like a Build-A-Bear, but with freaks. If you feel me, dude. But you got to be a little smarter. You know, you got to be a little smart. So you're gonna have it's majority wins, rarity breaks the tie. Now, right here, we got Furious plus Hollow. So it'll inherit Furious, okay? So you can essentially build what you want. Now, this may take a little time to set up. It may seem complex to some, but I love this type of shit. This reminds me of a roguelike. I fucking love it. Now we got the palettes. Palette is the only mutation where the rarest palette will always take. You know, it doesn't matter. You know, if you got 2 cursed, 1 signal will always take over cursed because it is the more rare. Now, if you were to ever do that, you're fucking insane. More power to you. But with that being said, marking drips cracks. If 2 or more of the burn freaks have it, the mutation will have it. Eye count average of 3, capped at 4. Teeth count capped at 20. The mutation can exceed any V1. Teeth 6 plus 8 plus 5 equals 19. Ooh. And if you want to look, this is the trait matrix that he's posted, but that's just, you know, we're just getting there. This is right around the corner, y'all. Right around the fucking corner. I like, I don't know how I stumbled, you know, here, but I'm here. I'm glad I'm here. The fuck? Yo. I don't have 8. Getting my ass kicked. Alright, listen. Now y'all know how to play. Go out there and get yourself some freaks. You know, enjoy the game. This ain't about getting rich. This is about being in a fun community. You know, being a part of a game that's developing. And, you know, he gives out some cool prizes. He gives out, you know, ETH. He's giving out NFTs. He's got about 1,600 that he has to give away. He won't sell them. So shout out to the dev. Shout out to the project. Shout out to Wagers. And much love, y'all. Peace.